DJM TV.
Why big people for Naija dey fly go obodo oyibo for hospital treatment? Ogbonge country people, how every be for una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when be say the time be now when be say una take the look us on top our day-to-day tori informative yarns on top our collective station when be DJM TV. Na me una sabi country brother Stanley Okocha. Na me wan see yarn na the informative tori when be say don shele for inside Naija on top this time. Yes, so the president of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, don yarn the reason when e be say big people for inside Nigeria dey fly comot for inside Nigeria, dey go for obodo oyibo where be say dem go dey treat dem body anytime e be say dem no dey well. President Muhammadu Buhari when e be say na the oga for the health matter for inside Nigeria when im name be Dr. Osage Eyanire go stand for yarn dis informate today for inside the Federal Medical Center FMC when dey for inside Abeokuta for Ogun State as im dey openate the International Conference Center and Telemedicine Hall and 6 other work when e be say dem do for inside the place when be the Federal Medical Center FMC. The president yarn say na sake of the way when e be say the health work people take the behaviour to the people when be say dem dey sick as dem no dey do friend with dem, na im come dey pursue many of the big people for inside Naija comot wey come make dem come dey fly go obodo oyibo anytime e be say dem wan go for treatment. Im come quick yarn join say wetin all the health work people need na correct train when e be say e go come show dem how dem go take the behaviour and handle Naija people when e be say dem dey sick. Dem come meet dem for treatmentation. President Muhammadu Buhari come see yarn join say if dis one shele nobody go wan fly comot for Naija go obodo oyibo for any treatment matter. For President Muhammadu Buhari mouth as Dr. Eyanire take yarn, we still dey get many informate say the behaviour of health work people no dey show friend behaviour to the sick people at all when e be say dem put for their care, and even informate dey show say the health work people no dey follow the guide when e be say dem suppose to dey follow even when e be say correct hospital things for dem to use dey for there. E come yarn say government bring all these things so that all these health people go fit use am to take treat any sick person when e be say e come meet dem because based on say e need treatment from dem, but make dem dey add different behaviour say that one dey do well to take heal people when e be say dem no dey well. Oga President Buhari come still yarn say with all these sabi doctors when e be say e dey for inside Naija, e no suppose make e be say anybody suppose fly comot for Naija sake of say dey go take treatment for obodo oyibo, because na all this one na make am say e no good at all. Oga President Buhari still yarn say na all dis kind small something na im dey cause am when e be say Naija people come dey lose mind for the health system pass say the materials no dey. Na sake of say the Naija big people no trust their health people na im come cause am when e be say dem go come comot go for obodo oyibo go take treatment. For Oga Buhari mouth again, we get plenty work when e be say we go do for that area, and I believe say all the ogas for our hospital after all the kampe things when e be say we don bye put for the hospital, dem go begin to dey do the correct things, especially for the areas when e go concern work together and their welfare, and even to retrain the health work people when e go come make dem come dey care and dey do wetin their work rule yarn say make dem dey follow to do their work, and wetin our African tradition still yarn make dem dey do too. For im own side, the Senate president when im name be Senator Ahmad Lawan don yarn say the COVID-19 wahala when come give the federal government the opportunity to take give more pogiri, especially for infrastructure matter, so that e go help Naija handle any health wahala wey go come out for the future. Senator Lawan when e be say na the oga for Senate Committee for Health Matter when im name be Senator Ibrahim Olori Egbe stand for, yarn say the federal government of Naija don build one 10-bed serious health wahala when e be say dem dey call intensive care unit ICU place for inside Naija. E come see yarn say dem don still build 30-bed height people place when e catch sickness when e be say e dey kpai people, plus plenty molecular laboratories when e be say dem dey work well for inside the 52 federal medical centers FMC for inside Naija. E come still give big hope say the bill when e concern the build of the University for Medicine and Medical Science for inside Abeokuta when dey for their front for inside the Nigerian National Assembly go get their support sake of say dem go pass am put for law before the end of April. For the Speaker of the Federal House of Representatives when im name be Honourable Femi Gbajabiamila side, im yarn say the work when e be say dem come opponent today na evidence say the government really dey do the promise when e be say dem make before and e come still show say na the progress when e be say dey for the FMC na dem dey continue so as they come opponent am. For the speaker mouth, na the main job to make sure say the people get kampe welfare and their body dey wella as we dey bring kampe and correct healthcare service when e be say our people go fit dey pay for. Na one way when e be say we don take stand for wetin concern dem. As im dey yarn for the work when e be say dem dey opponent, the biggest oga for the Federal Medical Center when im name be Professor Adewale Musa Olumo yarn say the place when e be say dem dey opponent na the first place for inside Naija sake of say the first place when e be say e get telemedicine hall. Im come yarn join say the center don do more than 300 brain tumor surgery since the establishment of the neurosurgical and the cardiothoracic place. Professor Musa Oluomo come yarn say im get hope say the federal government of Naija go raise the Federal Medical Center to one big teaching hospital when e be say dem go build to be the University of Medicine and Medical Sciences. For im own side, the governor of Ogun State when tanda for the opening ceremony when im name be Governor Dapo Abiodun come give big hope to the center sake of say im come yarn dem say if dem get anything when e be say dem want when e go concern im support, make dem always dey yarn him say im go give dem the support anytime any day as far say im government ready for the matter. Other big Naija people when e be say dem tanda for the place as dem dey opponent the place come be the before governor of Ogun State when im name be Chief Olusegun Osoba, the Alake of Egbaland when im name be Oba Adedotun Aremu Gbadebo, and the oga for state for health matter for inside Naija when im name be Senator Olorunbe Mamora. Country people, na here our tori for break leg inside this time. We wan thank una for all the time when the business don take dey look us since, and we wan still beg una say make una like, share and comment this news video wey be say we don knack on give una so. And we wan still beg una say make una subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. And once una subscribe, make una use una hand touch the notification bell so that anytime we knack ogbonge hot tori come out like this, una go always dey receive am straight and forward. And we wan still use this opportunity to beg all the businessmen wey be say dem dey inside Naija say we dey run advertisement for inside this TV station sake of say that their goods and that their service wey be say dem dey look for how they go take yarn am come out as informate give country people make dem come dey follow dem dey run business. Say we dey ground to take help you carry the information concerning the business and the service to go give country people so that they go come dey follow you dey run business, and yes, you go dey make better money for inside your aza. Country people, we wan thank una well for the time wey be say una don take dey with us. Until next time when e be say we go still come una way again with ogbonge tori wey go don dey share like that time. My name na still Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. I salute una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.